What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamentals about this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere right here at this point, and I've told you that we might go lower, and it was my main count because as you can see, we finished all 5 waves according to Elliott wave theory, and for now we are in the retracement mode. And usually retracement has a shape of simple zigzag, and the A wave should have 2 waves. This is the first wave, this is the retracement, this is the second one. And it also might have 5 waves, but in this case it has only 3 waves. 3 waves also should have B wave, and it has it. And we have to have 5 waves in our C wave, and we don't have it yet. So, in my opinion, we might go even lower with this price action, but I will make some projections in my technical analysis. And for now, from my previous call, we are down for about 11%, and this stock acts exactly as I predicted. It moves down. So let's continue with their fundamentals. First of all, let's start with their company profile. As you can see on Seeking Alpha, we don't have very large company profile. It says just Lucid Group engaged in the provision of electric vehicles. The company was founded in 2007 and is based in Newark, California. So this is basically, it is a car manufacturer, electric vehicle manufacturer, and we have their website, and here is their main model that is about to launch. And we all anticipated the launch of this car because by the end of this year they have to deliver about 600 units of Lucid Air, and it is extremely important for their fundamentals and for their future growth. So let's continue with their total market cap. For now, they have a total market cap at level of $38.47 billion. It's quite high, and I make some notes about this market cap in my previous video, and I've told you that it is highly above the total cap of, for example, Xpeng company, or it is 2 times lower than total market cap of NIO. And both of these companies already have deliveries, and they already have sales, and Lucid Motors doesn't have any sales at all. That's why this might be the main concern about their fundamentals. So, and let's continue with their institutional ownership. For now, as you can see, green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And as you can see, we have a lot of green rows, but if you compare the value of these positions, it is not so significant. $14,000, $3,000, $1,000, $139,000 compared to its total cap of more than $38 billion. These positions is not really significant. And I have to say that the main investor right here is this company, AR Third Investment Co. It has 63% of this company. It is a Saudi Arabian company, and with this information we might say that Lucid Motors is basically an Arabian company. Let me show you this article. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published 2 days ago, and it's titled LCID Stock. Lucid Motors plan to make 2 big moves in 2021. And the first move is that they are announced in their SEC filing that they will produce their second model. It is a luxury SUV. It is a Project Gravity, and they will produce it by the end of the 2023. And for now, they have to produce their Lucid Air in the second half of 2021. This is the first part, and it is not so important in my opinion. So, and this is the most interesting part. LCID stock stands to gain from Middle Eastern expansion, and let me quote you this part. Aside from the production of the Air sedan, the company also looks to complete its expansion into the Middle East and could very well do so within a year. Saudi Arabian and Lucid Motors have very close ties. In fact, a 2.9 billion investment from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia via the Saudi Public Investment Fund makes the country a 60% owner of the company. The investment comes with the stipulation that Lucid will bring a factory to the country. As such, much of the speculation over the factory is not if, but when. We know the company is building the factory in King Abdullah Economic City, north of Jeddah. The date of the factory's construction is still not publicly known, but we can assume details will be revealed very soon with the start of production in Arizona. So what does it mean for investors? According to investor place analyst Luke Lango, in the world electric vehicle stocks, access to capital is a huge part of the puzzle. And here is the most important quotation. Saudi Arabia's backing of Lucid Motors is a really underrated component of the Lucid bull thesis. When it comes to a capex-intensive business like EV manufacturing, access to capital is king. You need access to capital to build huge manufacturing plants all across the world, operate those plants, fund operations while running losses, and on top of all that, continue to attract top-notch talent with big-time salaries. A lack of access to capital will be the death of many startup EV makers out there today. But Lucid has access to basically infinite capital with its Saudi Arabia partnership. The PIF basically has $1 trillion in assets. These are the deepest pockets in the planet, and they are choosing Lucid as their horse in the EV race. That gives Lucid a huge leg up over everyone else not named Tesla in this space. It is extremely important that they have access to this money, and that's why I think this company will have a bright future, and they will deliver all their cars in 2021, in second half of 2021, and they will deliver more than 20,000 vehicles in 2022. And this means they will exceed the total market cap of $38 billion, and this means we will see the growth in their stock price. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as I already mentioned, we are in a downside movement, and in my opinion, we might hit the level of 0.618 and 0.65 again, and on top of that, with the bearish sentiment or with the neutral news, and without the news from the start of their deliveries, we might hit even lower levels at around 19.73 or $19.22 marks. And this means from our current price, we have about 4% to our first accumulation point and about 14% to our second accumulation point. And basically, if you want to invest in this company and you realize that this company has a fluctuation in price and has a huge volatility for now, and you can add your position and start to accumulate your position with the Lucid Motors within this price action to the downside. And the major support for now is definitely this level. It is a swing low of around $17, and I have to say that this level should hold, and if this level holds, we are still very bullish for the long term with this company, and we have very good upside potential with the price of this stock. So let me mark your potential accumulation points. Right here it is one of your main accumulation points. Second one is right here, and we might see this type of price action in a matter of next week, and right after that we might have a trend reversal, and in my opinion we will see the first deliveries in Q3 2021, because if it will be delayed to Q4, this anticipation will lead to lower price action with this stock, and this will negatively affect the total sentiment around this company. So, from the technical standpoint, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!